Multiplication in of matrices is something crucial. You have to pay a close attention to, right? Not that it's difficult, but it's just a simple way, just like a step-by-step way of doing that. And now in multiplying, so this is just a very simple scenario that I'm having. I have the matrix A, right? Normally we use a capital letter to represent the matrix. So I have A and B here. These are the matrices that we have. Since now you have a clear understanding of what a matrix may look like, right? So these two things are just like a 2 by 2 matrix here, and it is also another 2 by 2 matrix. Now we want to multiply, right? So meaning that we are going to multiply the A by B. Is that okay? So the way of multiplying is that what I normally do is that look at this diagram here, right? So this diagram, this very simple diagram. I don't know how you want to call it. This can be L upside down, right? So L upside down, all right? So look at the direction. So what it means is that once you have this drawing, that this thing can guide you to know exactly what you are doing or how to multiply what in what of matrices. Now, how do you do that? What I mean by that is that we are going to pick the first line here, right? So this line here is going to multiply things that is going down like this. Is that okay? So this line here, this line with -2 and then 1 are going to multiply the 1 here and then -1 and -2. That's also why I say this goes like this and then you come down. Is that okay? So how do you multiply? So you pick this -2 here, it's going to multiply the -1 in the first place, right? And then plus, remember there's a plus here, so plus, right? So plus what? And then 1 here is going to multiply the 2, right? So the -1 multiplying the -1 here, and then plus what into one bracket since we are dealing with a negative, and then 1 multiplied by what? The 2 here, right? Okay, once you are done with that, you leave a space. So that is just a 2 by 2 matrix. Is that okay? So we are done with the first part here. So second one is that the same scenario, the same number here, go to multiply the one at the down. Is that okay? So -2 multiplying what? 0 here. So and then 1 multiplied by what? The 3 plus or 1 multiplied by the 3. Is that okay? So this is a very simple method here. Now once you are done, the same thing applies to the down one. So the down here will be what? The 4 here multiplied by what? -1 here. And then plus what? 2 multiplied by what? The 2. So on one side, and then the second one, then the same thing you use to multiply the second aspect. So if you are done, then you know how to add and subtract and then multiply any other things already, right? Okay, so here if you perform this calculation here should give you 2 plus, so that should be 4 here, and then the same applies to the rest of the aspects. So what I get at the end is 4, 3, and then 0, and then 6, right?